Hello, I'm Charles Furman, and here is my older adult image for the pros and cons. As we can see, here is a young fella who is in his golden years, and clearly he is a doctor. On my pros list, he appears to love his profession, um, as you could tell by the glimmer in his eyes and his posture and his smile that he has on his face. Um, so of course you can tell that he is possibly proud of this achievement of becoming a doctor, and one who can help others in their time of need. Um, by the gray hair, you can tell that he has a wealth of knowledge, and he is possibly an advocate for older adults, just like himself. On the cons list, however, I see that he possibly may not have younger patients. Younger patients may shy away from going to someone who is up in age. Um, the other cons I have is that he may not have a steady hand for surgeries or something like that. He might have um, uh, Parkinson's or something like that, or some type of central nervous system issue where he has the shakes. Um, and he also may have been, due to his age, forced into private practice because he doesn't fit the model that the hospitals and um, businesses now want, with getting new patients. They want the younger faces and things of that nature, and may not possibly want to be hindered by any issues that an older professional may have. So that's my pros and cons list for the older adult image. And here is my reference where I retrieved the photograph. Thanks.